So starting the test drive in this Envision preferred all-wheel drive here, I'm just gonna put into the all-wheel drive mode because this is where this is really different compared to other Envisions. So I'm gonna leave it here for the majority of the test drive just to kind of test out the system. But a lot of pep in its step, having a 2-liter turbo 4 and a 9-speed automatic. Really like just how it drives in general. Here we go. So wasn't flooring it by any means, just gave it a little something. And that's just how you would typically merge with a vehicle like this. You could floor it and get a bit more out of it, but it has 7 miles on it, so I didn't want to thrash it. But I want to give one more big thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee for allowing me to review this Envision today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But I mean, the sound acoustics in here are very good. Road noise is minimal. The wind is blowing hard. So the fact that I'm able to hear that and still have kind of a deadened echo chamber here without the echo is very impressive. It's very easy to talk in here, very easy to hear. I'm not having to yell at everybody while I'm driving. Now, in terms of what you get for the money here, I think it's a pretty solid deal. Buicks, specifically the Envisions, have really held their own, I think, since they got their redesign, just in terms of what you get in the package here. I mean, you have adaptive cruise control, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, this optional comfort and convenience package, and then the sunroof. I'm very, very impressed with just how nice this thing is. And you're under $50,000, which is phenomenal. But also you get a really, really good looking interior. The exterior looks great as well, even with the Summit White. Really pretty color. I probably wouldn't do this one particularly. I like the, whatever that kind of purplish gray color is, I really like that. But everything looks good on these because the styling is so sleek, yet futuristic, if that makes sense. It kind of reminds you of the older Buicks like the LaCrosse, the LeSabre, whatever, but also you have a more futuristic feel to it, like some of the Buick concept cars that have come out over the years. But the standard features here are really great. I mean, you get the heads-up display, standard. This 30-inch screen is standard. And you just, again, you get a really just capable vehicle. And especially for this to have, I wasn't talking to you, but especially for this to have all-wheel drive for this money, I just think it's a good deal, period. But you get a luxurious drive here, luxurious feel without all the flashiness. And that's what a lot of Buick people want. They want something that's very nice, but they don't necessarily want to pay for a bunch of stuff just to be flashy. They don't need an Escalade. They're not necessarily looking at a Cadillac, but they want their lumbar support. They want their heated seats, heated steering wheel, and all the tech that you could want on one of these. So it knocks it out of the park from that sense. All that being said, this brings me to the end of my review of this 2026 Buick Envision Preferred with all-wheel drive.